Hey, it's Andrew, and today I'm reviewing this versatile car phone holder. I'll be highlighting a few reasons why I like this product and also share one thing you should consider when making your purchase. So, first and foremost, this car mount's adjustability is a standout feature. The main holder allows you to securely fit phones of various sizes. You can easily widen or tighten the grip to snugly hold your phone in place. Then use the release mechanism by just pressing the button and it smoothly opens up. When you do want to use it, place your phone in and squeeze the sides in, which you'll see the sides are inverted in order to actually hold your phone in place. Now, that brings us to the mounting options. This holder comes with two distinct brackets offering multiple options. The first one can be affixed to your car's dashboard or any surface using the secure sticky suction cup that you can see here. You can easily adjust the angle to position your phone exactly where you want it, including extending it out. The second mount is designed to attach to your car's vents. It's super easy to install. You simply loosen the wheel, place it on the desired vent, and then tighten the wheel to secure it in place. What's great about this design is that it leaves ample space for the vent to function effectively, ensuring your phone doesn't obstruct the airflow. Now, let me touch upon the one important thing you should know. Even if your car is equipped with a full screen display and Apple CarPlay like mine is, this car mount remains highly valuable. It provides quick access to your phone, which can be crucial in emergency situations, of course. And moreover, it actually provides you with more flexibility during your drive as you can place it at eye level within arm's reach or in a good spot that minimizes glare. Plus, you can even place it on your middle console in case you have kids or passengers in the back seat. Now, this versatile stand can also be used outside of your vehicle, for example, as like a bedside stand or even next to your computer, adding to its overall utility. As you can see, I'm thoroughly impressed with this car phone holder. It offers exceptional adjustability, secure mounting options, and additional functionality that complements your car's existing features. So I think it can be a fantastic addition to any car setup, so it does get my seal of approval.